Alright, guys. So, I know, it's obvious for the title, but if you didn't look at the title, then you probably think I got the new scientist clock. But that is not the case. Now, if you guys don't know, see y'all later. JK. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm not actually gonna hit you with a hockey stick. I'm joking. We are. I've been really wanting to do this. So, how I got the legendary and all the new clock units. Well, today I finally got mewing TV Man. Now I traded a lot for this. This took me like 2 hours to trade for. Nobody was accepting my offer until I finally found someone nice enough to give it to me. So please like and subscribe. Because this unit is probably gonna be trash. But I do this for you guys. So, it's not trash, but now, today, we are testing which one is better. We're gonna find out today. Hey, which one is better? Now, this isn't cheating. We're using boosters, which that isn't cheating. Oh, I mean to pull that up. So, we are gonna test which one is better, mewing or alarm clock man. Now, first we're gonna test out endless mode. Next, we're gonna test out clock mode. So we're gonna test both units. So let's go. Now the first one we're gonna test is alarm clock man, since he is the cheaper unit. And then we'll test him on clock mode. So let me just, obviously, if it gets us to past wave 40, then to cut the video until, so we get to because I can't record for that long, to be honest with you guys. Who do you think will win, mewing or alarm clock man? I'm hoping that alarm clock man does, because if I found out he's better, then I might have just gotten myself a really good unit. Alright, alarm clock man, you hopefully will be good, even though I know you're trash. Kind of not trash. You're actually really good. But when you just place down and there's a bunch of toilets. Oh, skip wave. Geez, when is the last time I've played endless mode? Hold on. Let me turn on the oh, that's annoying. Alright. Now this guy literally is mute, and he does the thing he does this to the toilets. Now Mutant does do. Now they both do AOE, which is pretty good. So they're both that's why they both like attack multiple toilets. But they both are like so overpowered. So like literally like I mean, not gonna lie, Mutant is definitely harder to trade for. But Mutant was nerfed to only 5%. Which, wait, was it 5%? Because Alarm Clock Man is 10%, but that doesn't mean that Mutant's better. Now first let's actually check the DPS. Now Mutant's DPS is higher, but he's more to place. So, I have a bad feeling about Alarm Clock Man. I know Bemmy blocks, does not like Alarm Clock Man because he's like trash. He calls him trash, but I actually think he's good. Just at the first level, I don't think he's that good. Wait a minute. I have a question, guys. So if we beat Endless Mode, does that mean we get like XP for the clock thing? Or do we just get endless ranks? Because let me know in the comments because Alright. I know a lot of YouTubers like Arky and Bemmy come up with names for this octopus. Up here. Or is it a squid? I don't know. But I'm gonna call him Gary. So welcome Gary. Today we are testing out Mutant versus Alarm Clock Man. Who do you think's gonna win? To be honest, bro, Alarm Clock Man's trash. You should just give up. Hey, Steve, don't be mean to Alarm Clock Man. What do you have to say about that, Alarm Clock Man? Yeah, Steve, stop being mean. I actually want to see if I can beat Mutant. Bro, you don't have a chance. Well, we'll have to see. I don't know why Gary's being so mean. Wait, did I call him Steve on accident? Alright. I don't know how far this guy's gonna go. He's actually been doing well. Now, I know probably all of you hate this unit because they copied Mutant and they just made it easier to get. Well, however, I don't actually hate this unit. I think it's a good way for free-to-play players to have a chance of getting like a good unit, because now people used to be giving Santas for free back when it was time because they were so easy to get, and now they're basically selling it for like 1,000 gems. Like what? That's so overpriced, guys. Like, guys, I have suggestions for you. So, eventually, when you should get units right now, like from this event, keep getting clock crates and future crates. And basically, when the units you get out of these, and even if you just get plain crate and don't open it, they'll become very rare in the future. So, future crate, future. So they might be really rare. So you guys, plus when this event ends, I'm doing a giveaway where you guys can win some free time crates and some legendary Alarm Clockmans, and you guys can win some clock units. So that will be a pretty fun giveaway. However, that's not gonna be my summer giveaway. If you guys don't know, I will be doing a giveaway in summer. I'm not gonna spoil it. It's gonna be a pretty awesome giveaway. And yeah, this guy is overpowered. Like literally, look at this guy. Bro just took out a full large glasses toilet. And also we're only allowed to place one of them, so I wonder how high Mutin's gonna get. I hope that alarm wins. Alarm clock man, I hope you win. I hope you win. Because if he won, I'll have to probably get more of these. In fact, while I was grinding for Scientist Clockman, I was actually, we're not gonna do clock map. I'm sorry guys, we're not gonna do that. That's gonna take too long because we're already 10 minutes into the video. Hold on, let's actually make it a little bit harder. Let's auto skip. I'm trying to make it hard to see who is actually better. I know you guys are probably gonna just unclick this video because you all probably think that Mutin's better. Well, maybe you'll stay into surprise. Do 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 do. Alright, this is getting way more challenging. Mutin has a challenge for himself. Oh, bro, how are you doing this? Look at, bro is just like doing this. Like he's just literally like, yeet, yeet, gone, 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 gone. Like what is bro doing? Like what? Oh my god. Y'all know the YouTuber Steak? Yeah. I don't know, but he made a live stream that said he got in Skibidi Toilet, but he's already in Skibidi Toilet. So that's kind of weird. I don't know why I would do that. Hold on. Guys, let me know if you've played modded Toilet Tower Defense. Because in that game, I got the Titan Nuke Man. Well, I think that's what it's called. I don't know what it's called. I'll have to watch Bemmy's video if he has posted a video on that. I literally got it on like the second try. Or was it the first? I don't know. Can't remember. That was like a few days ago. Alright, we've got everything maxed out right here except for this guy. Oh gee, bruh, you never told me you were this overpowered. What? Hey, look at me. When were you this overpowered? Did you get a buff, guys? Look at me. Oh, that's a little bit. We just went in his body. And it was max upgrade. Now all we do is place booster units, which I'm going to start off with the DJ speaker, man. I did not get the DJ TV, man, sadly. At least I have corrupted, guys. I mean, that's from Halloween. To be honest, I don't think the DJ TV should be. Oh, we're letting stuff getting through. Uh-oh, we'll just have to take the hit. Is bro okay? Is this a glitch? I think that's kind of unfair. I think this is unfair. He's still on there. That's unfair. I think this is unfair, I think. What? Okay, what? Are we gonna seriously have to bring like a medic or something? Because bro is sleeping on the job. Yeah, we're probably gonna die. I just want to see if we do. But bro made it to wave 24. It might turn into 25. What? This is so unfair, I think. Like, why is this a thing? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, bro made it to wave 25. Now, let's see how far Mutant gets. Probably gonna be the best unit in the game, according to what everybody's saying. Alright. If Mutant actually gets farther than my alarm clock, man, I'm gonna actually be kind of sad. Although, that means I have an OP unit, so either way, I won't be sad, so. Alright, now, Mutant is, a few dollars to place, so. We'll have to wait till we get $500. See, whenever I do these versus challenge, I usually, use the cheapest unit first, because the more cheap it is, the more weak it probably is. So I kind of want to do the weak ones first, but I don't actually know if it's weak. We can identify that as maybe, so he might be weak. And bruv is letting toilets through. Alright, we're gonna have to auto skip. I forgot about that. Alright, we're gonna auto skip so we can place this guy down soon. Skip please, skip please, skip. 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 Hey, skip. Skip, 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 skip. What is... Skip, skip. Mutant might actually lose. Guys, if Mutant loses, that would actually be so insane. Don't forget, this is on their own. They don't even get a starter unit. So this is actual, like, competition. Because the boosters aren't even that good, to be honest. But yeah, this bro is killing everything. Literally. Like, look at this guy. He has man face. So, Gary, what do you have to say about this? This guy's gonna win. Alarm clock man is so bad. Gary, stop being mean. What if Mutant loses? Then I'll give you 1 million Robux. I know you're not gonna do that because you have 8 Robux because you're like a model. Forget I said that then. Now, yeah. This guy is just overpowered. You are kind of right. Well, we'll see who wins. Alright, Gary. Alright, this is gonna be a really hard challenge for Alarm because Mutant is passing the waves by so quick. Like, this is gonna be really challenging for This guy to beat. Blinky, blanket, blanket. Yo, guys, so, today, I'm just gonna talk about my day. Me and my mom were playing hockey. It was really fun. We weren't actually playing hockey on, like, ice. We were playing, like, road hockey, like, on the driveway wave. It was pretty fun. I love hockey. Well, yeah, see, look, alarm clock man and mutant literally, like, stun toilets, like make him go, like they just freeze them, so it's kind of like stopping time, but different way. And mutant is probably gonna win by the looks of things. Like, why is bro getting so far? Is bro actually gonna get me on, like, the leaderboard? If this bro get me on the leaderboard, I'll give you a Stanley Cup. I'm not even joking. I'll give you a Stanley Cup if you get me on the leaderboard. I'll give you a Stanley Cup. How about 1 mil Robux? Okay, fine. Guys, I'm not actually giving her 1 million Robux. Don't tell him I said that, guys, please. Alright. You are getting really far. How are you doing this? Can you tell me? Can you tell me, please? Please? Can you tell me, please? How are you doing this? Hello? Okay, you're killing toilets. Good job. You guys had to cut the video right there. Alright. Now everyone's sleeping. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Okay, good. I placed all my farms. Yeah, mutant, what are you doing? How are you doing this? Like, you're impressing me. I know you can get to, like, on clock mode, like, you can beat it, but I did not think you could, like, I know you're not past the alarm clock man yet. Oh, we're letting stuff by. That's not a good sign. Well, let's be honest, we're still killing stuff. Okay, no way bro beats the wave 20 boss. There's actually no way that this guy beats the wave 20 boss. Like there's actually no way. Listen. But no. Yeah, see, you're not gonna do it. See? Let me upgrade you. See, you didn't do it. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Is he actually gonna do? Let's stop. Oh my god. Wait. He actually might have a chance. Guys. He might actually have a chance. Come on. He might have a chance. Come on. Bruh, if mutant doesn't actually win enough to give you 1 million Robux, this is actually insane. Come on. Get through. Don't make it to wave 25. Come on. Don't make it. No. Alright, guys. So, this is actually insane. Mewing and alarm clock man are the exact same. So they are the exact same in endless mode by themselves. But if they had other units, I'm sure they would have won. See you in the next video. Peace.